Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Today we are going to see unboxing and quick review of a TWS earbud from Defy brand. Model name Defy GravityZ. Defy is a new audio electronics brand in the market and seems very promising by looking the back-to-back launches and product quality at such a competitive price. Defy GravityZ is priced for 1399 rupees. Let's find out what are the features we are getting for the price. First, let's unbox the buds. This is the box of Defy GravityZ earbuds. On the front they mentioned the Defy branding and the picture of buds and the charging case. On the right they mentioned specifications and box contents. Let's open the box. On top you'll get Defy GravityZ charging case and earbuds. Let's remove the wrapper and open the case. This is GravityZ buds. Let's keep this aside. Next, there is a user manual and the warranty card. Finally, on the bottom there is a small box. Let's open it. It have extra ear tips and Type-C charging cable. First, let's talk about the design. When it comes to design, the first thing we notice that the charging case is very compact. It will be easily fit inside your pocket. The earbud comes in 4 color variants. The one we have is Blue Impulse and 3 more variants are White Purity, Black Fury and Teal Aqua. On the front of the case, you have brand logo. Bottom to that, you have a light indicators to indicate the battery percentage of the charging case. Also on the bottom there is a Type-C charging port. When you open the charging case, you can see that the earphones are attached magnetically. It's a strong magnet so it won't easily fall from the case. So you no need to worry that you'll lose the earbuds accidentally. When it comes to the earbuds design, it's a full plastic body design. The earbuds are really light on the ear and there is a Defy branding on the bottom and you have light indicators on the top. The earbuds design fits perfectly on my ear. Even if I shake my head hard, it won't fall. Next, let's talk about pairing. The earbuds comes with Bluetooth 5.2 support for faster connectivity. It is easy to pair with a mobile. Just open the charging case lid. On the phone, open the Bluetooth setting and select Defy GravityZ. You have to go through this process only for the first time. Next time, as soon as you open the lid, it will automatically repair again. When we talk about the battery life, the buds has 50 hours of playback time. Also, you'll get brisk charging support. On a 10 minutes of charge, you'll get 3 hours of playback time. Next, let's talk about the sound quality of the buds. It has 13mm dynamic driver, also it has a AAC codec support. The audio output is loud and it has a decent bass. There is no distortion at the higher volume. For the price, the audio quality is really good and worth consider. When it comes to call quality, the buds has quad mic environmental noise cancellation technology that cancels ambient noise and lets you experience the superior call quality. On our test on the both indoor and outdoor situation, the quality of the call is really good and it's loud and clear. There is no much surrounding noise and distraction on the call. The buds has 50 ms low latency turbo mode. You can activate it by long pressing the right earbuds for 3 seconds. On our gaming test with the turbo mode, the latency is very low and there is no audio lag at all. When we talk about voice assistant and touch control, on a single tap you can activate OK Google or Siri. While playing music, on a single tap you can play past the music, double tap to next or previous track. Also, you can answer the call by single tapping on the buds. Defy GravityZ comes with IPX4 water resistance, so there is no issue while sweating or drizzling. Overall, you'll get a decent TWS earbuds with nice audio output, 50 hours long battery life and low latency gaming mode. Finally, if you are someone who is looking for best TWS under 1500 rupees, then Defy GravityZ would be a great option for you. You can buy these earbuds from Flipkart. The link is in the description. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.